Hey guys, how's it going? Today is the day, I believe, when I go ahead and start putting sugar bricks in. I've already done the lower yard down here in the bottom, and I've done the yard over at Black Ridge. So we're going to go through these colonies right here and get these bricks stuck on. I'll just go through and show you how quick and easy it is to get that emergency food on your bees. Then when we get down toward the other end, I'm going to go ahead and do the mountain camp method on those down there. I've never done it myself before, but thought I would try it this year. Just another way you can do it if you don't want to make any sugar bricks. So let me grab my tote right here out of the truck and we'll get this show on the road. Alrighty. Get my smoker. Got my hive tool. Bees are a little bit active today. It's windy out and it's about 59, 60 degrees. So I'm just gonna go through here and undo a few of these hives. I don't want to jump in there and stay in them too awful long. I'm just gonna do a few at a time. Hoping we got some good looking healthy colonies. I know all of them I've been in so far were looking pretty exceptional. So let's hope it'll carry on with these. I may have to bring you in a little closer here. Alrighty, let's dive in. It being a little chilly, I would say that these ladies might be a little agitated, maybe not. This colony is the one that's been getting hounded by them yellow jackets for the past 2 or 3 weeks, aggravating suckers. We're just gonna smoke them down and gently set the brick in. Make sure we ain't crushing anybody. Stick a roof back on, and that's it. That's all you gotta do. In and out. Just a few seconds. Really is all it takes. Oh. That brick was just a hair smaller than the other ones that I've got. It was one of them old pans that I had. I don't have any insulation on this one. Well, I can really smell that propolis. These bees are chill. I didn't even really have to do any smoking on these girls. Not yet. They might get mad at me ripping this comb out. Get that stuff out the way. There we go. I'm gonna have to get I've got more in the building. I'll have to make me another little double bubble piece of insulation to stick on there. It won't take no time to get all these colonies done. Just quick in and out. Oh, see where went that one? It flew off. Yeah, that's a good looking colony right there. If we can get them bees to go down. Come on, ladies, work with me here. Oh no, that broken too. We still got big chunks when we stick in there. Won't hurt a thing. There you go. It's probably all that beating and banging in the back of that truck getting them things up here. I'd say there's probably a few of them that are cracked. It's all good, it won't hurt a thing. This colony is missing a shim, so I'm gonna have to go grab my shim. So, one moment, I'll be right back with one of those. Alrighty. Now this was one of the first ones that I had made, and I decided that I didn't like that wire in there, but that's the last one I got, so that's what they get. Bees coming out the top. I've got a couple frames out of place in here. I don't know what's going on here. Something's been knocked out of whack. There we go. That's good. All right. Okay, I'm gonna have to, this box right here, it's probably older than I am. It's the very tip top of it in the back is broken, so I'm gonna have to come out here and wrap some tape around that. Around that corner, because that's gonna let too much air in. All right. Okay. We'll do these two, and then pause the video for a bit, and I'll go ahead and get the rest of them down through there until I get to the ones I'm gonna put the Mountain Camp sugar on. There's a lot of bees down in there, they're just not up on top. So should be perfectly fine. Let me get my brick. Looks like I need to make a couple of those little insulating covers. Good cluster right here. Did 8.5 frames worth of bees right at the tip top of those frames. So I think all these hives that we've dug in so far are going to overwinter perfectly fine. And I'm definitely going to have to make some more of those double bubble little insulating pads. All right, let's cut it here, and then we'll jump back in down there at the other. All right, guys, we're back down at this end of the yard. So we're gonna jump in and give these bees some sugar with the Mountain Camp method. So what we'll do is we'll pop that top, put a piece of newspaper down, and we will kind of give that paper just a little bit of spritzing with some water, kind of get it a little bit easier for the bees to chew. And the sugar, we're going to pour the sugar right on top of it. It's so noisy around here today. They're finally cutting this corn, and my dad's down there piddling around, and traffic's been crazy for some reason. It's wild here. All right. Where'd my smoker go? Right there it is. All right. Let's see what these girls are doing. All right. Decent little cluster. I need you ladies to get down in the box. Get down in the box. All right. Oh, that's 2 pages. There we go. Use that for the next one. All right, just gonna lay that in there like that. Poke a few holes. All right. I'm gonna set my hive tool there. Keep that wind from blowing all my stuff off. I got scattered all over the place. We're just gonna pour this right down in there. Okay. All right. Give that top just a little bit of a spritz. And that's all we're gonna do. That's a good 7 or 8 pounds of sugar right there. There we go. All right. Man, this wind has done nothing but piss me off half the day. So aggravating. And I'm about to get covered in dust off that combine. So that's going to be nice. Thanks, Skipper. Appreciate it. All right, I still got some of that plastic off the Apiguard in here. All right. Get that going. Get us a new sheet of paper in here. A little bit of water. Spray it down there. That. All right. And put the lid back on. All right, guys, that's all there is to it. Just thought I'd bring you along and show you. You know, it don't take much just to give those bees a little peace of mind, some emergency food. That little bit of extra effort can decide whether a colony is going to live or die through the winter. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, just scroll down, hit that subscribe button, like the video if you liked it. Until then, have a good one.